In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a widget or external site using the Wix editor. Embedding a site or widget is a great way to bring in tools, dashboards, booking systems, or any external content directly into your Wix website without your visitors ever needing to leave your page. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own editor as we go. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you have the editor open for the site you want to edit. On the left-hand side of the Wix editor, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Look for the plus icon, which is used to add new elements to your page. Click on that plus sign. This opens a panel with all the different elements you can add, like text, images, galleries, and more. From this panel, you want to look for the option related to embeds. Find and click on the option that says Embed Code. This tells Wix that instead of adding a regular built-in element, you want to add something that comes from an external source. Once you click Embed Code, you'll see several choices, such as embedding custom code or embedding a site. For this tutorial, we're focusing on displaying a full external site or widget, so go ahead and click on Embed Site. Wix will then place a placeholder frame on your page. This frame is where your embedded content will appear. With that frame selected, a settings panel should open, usually on the right side or above the element. In this panel, look for the field labeled website address or something very similar. Click directly into that website address field. This is where you'll paste the URL of the site or widget you want to embed. Now, go to your source, copy the link of the external site or widget, and then return to the Wix editor. In the website address field, paste that link. Make sure the link starts with HTTP or HTTPS, and that it's correct, because any typo can prevent the content from loading properly. After you've pasted the link, look for the Apply button in the same settings area. Click Apply to confirm your changes. Wix will now load the external site inside the frame on your page. You can drag the corners of the frame to resize it and move it around to position it exactly where you want.